Thank you for this honor of showing you how you can save only attachment from a form. So I've designed a sample form, as you can see, sample form with a title description which says this form is designed to show you how you can save only the attachment. How to do that? Let's go straight. You should open the process diagram, go to the specific service task that will use, or you want it to save only the attachment, the repository. For this sample process, I have one service task here for just demonstrating you how to do it. Open it, then you can go straight to save options here and uncheck servers. After unchecking, click save. So by unchecking here servers in save options, it means you have told this process on this service task save to repository that it should only save the attachment. So to prove that, it means after submission of form, we'll go to the repository on this path, supporting document folder, and in that supporting document folder will be another folder inside there named by specific instance ID, and in that folder too we must only see the attachment. No form should found there. Okay, let's go to the repository and see. So this is the repository that we use, OG Experience repository, supporting document. So in here we are supposed to see, or we expect to see, the folder which is named by specific instance ID. Then in that folder we should see only the attachment. So let's submit one document. Upload the document. So this will be our attachment, project implementation checklist. After uploading it, our attachment, so let's submit. Okay, it means our submission is successful. The message says thank you, your uploaded attachment have been saved. To prove that, let's open our repository. Wow, you can see in the supporting document there is another folder here which is named by that specific instance ID, that a process that we submitted. After opening the folder, we only see the attachment. This one, 0.0 project implementation checklist, 0.0 project documentation checklist. There is no form here. Yep, so this is the document that we attached. So remember one thing to do that, you should go to the process diagram, go to that specific saves task, that save document to the repository from a form, go and uncheck save as. After doing that, it means you have told your process that service task should only save the attachment. Thank you. Welcome.